Hi sa lahat! Magandang gabi! Tonight on Learn Tagalog, let's learn fruits. Mga prutas. And let's start with buko. The green coconut. Buko. Buko. And also you can find buko on one of our homograph words and you can find the link sa baba o sa taas. The young coconut is called buko, and this one, sa Tagalog, nyog. 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 Buko. Nyog. Buko. It might be hard to pronounce nyog, so you can start by saying, you can practice by saying ni yog, ni yog, ni yog, ni yog, ni yog, nyog, nyog, buko. Next one we have avocado. Avocado, 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 avocado. Watermelon, pakwan, 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 pakwan. And we have papaya, papaya, papaya. Let's continue learning fruits in Tagalog, and I have a mango here, or mangga. 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 Pineapple. Piña. 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 Banana. Saging. 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 Granada. 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 Last one. Ubas. Oh, same color. Verde. Ubas. 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 That's it for tonight. Fruits in Tagalog o mga prutas sa Tagalog.